Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Today, I'm going to present my research entitled Evaluating Metaverse Platform for Educational Purpose, the Heuristic Evaluation Study. My name is Cadelina Cassandra, and my partner for this research are Mohamad Masrek and Fadhilah Aman. We are from School of Information Science, College of Computing, Information and Media, University Technology, from Malaysia, and as well as I'm a faculty member from Information System Department, School of Information Systems, with Nusantara University. Well, starting from the introductions, as we know that using technology in education is increasingly very essential because of the new era and also the students from the new generation, especially they want to study and motivate to study in we use technology. And also the newest technology is starting to be very popular since pandemic in 2022. It is metaverse because this metaverse promise an interactive and immersive experience for users around the world, and it can increase the motivation of the students when they study online. So that's why this metaverse is starting to be popular too in education and also in Indonesia. Because this metaverse application, it can make the learning settings dynamic, engaging, and hands-on by using virtual and augmented reality technologies. And yeah, there are many platforms to build to show this metaverse. And can be applied to classrooms such as eduverse.com. You can check there. And then at first.com, you can also check to the website. And other virtual investment platform also become popular because of metaverse started to become popular, such as Mozilla Hub, Roblox, etc. However, very limited research tried to determine the usability of the metaverse applications that are popular today. Many research they try to look from the acceptance, from the intention of the metaverse, but very limited study that will look from the side of the usability from this metaverse application and how it can be accepted to the educators because of the usability. Because to get the most suitable metaverse apps in educations, ensuring they are easy to use and provide a good user experience is very important. That's why this research using the methodology, a heuristic evaluation that is introduced by the Jacob Nielsen that have 10 elements: visibility of system status, match between system and the real world, user control and freedom, consistency and standard, error prevention, recognitions rather than recall, flexibility and efficiency of use, aesthetic and minimalist design, user is organized, diagnose and recover from errors, and the last one is help and documentations. Well, those elements, those 10 elements, will help us to determine whether the application is usability, good from the usability or not. And what we do, we invite the team of experts that know about usability evaluations based on their experience. They are lecturers from university, good university. They have experience in IJAAS evaluations. They know how to evaluate the good user interface and user experience. So we invite 5 of them to test the application, the metaverse applications, and we give them survey or questionnaire based on the heuristic principles by the Jacob Nielsen. Well, we choose 5 experts because 5 experts is ideal and they can capture more than 75% of usability problems. And we think it's enough, the values in the numbers enough to help us to test the usability testing. And for the data analysis, which the formula for heuristic evaluation. The formula is as shown in the presentation. So we find the total of the rating score of the usability sub-aspect, and then we have a score 0 to 4. It is the value of the usability rating, and X is for usability point 1 or 0. 1 if the answer if it's yes, and 0 if no. And then we also generate the usability rating. The formula is shown in the slide. And then this is the separate rating table. If the user answers 0, it's don't agree. And then if there is only cosmetic problem, they will answer 1, 2 for minor disability problem, 3 for major disability problem, and 4 for the very serious disability catastrophe and need to be fixed immediately. And this is we break down the usability aspect. We have 10 usability aspect or elements from the Jacob Nielsen's. We give them code and then we make an indicator. It is the questionnaire based on the usability aspect. And these questions will be given to the expert. They will analyze, they will discuss, they will give the value based on their analysis. And then put into the formula, the result is like this. From the 10 elements or the 10 aspects of the usability, we found that the number of the usability rating is 1 or 0, as you can see in the slide. So from this result, we can make a conclusion. Overall, the general result of the heuristic evaluation testing with the experts is in good condition. So the application of metaverse, such as at first and then the first that we test, they are quite good, yeah, because they are in the number of 1, which is number 1. If we back again to the same rating, number 1 is cosmetic problem only. So during the evaluation process, the experts systematically look at the system against this predefined heuristic and help to find the usability problems and place where the system could be improved. And then after the analysis, the results show that the system program met most of the heuristic because the number is 1. This means that the product was made based on the user-centric, considering the rules that make it easier to give the user better experience. And the people who evaluate the system or application find out several good things about it, such as clear and easy navigation, well-organized information architecture, good error handling, and a uniform visual design. And this research shows that the system or program will likely be easy to learn and use, making user happier. So that is the conclusion of this test. We can say that the metaverse application now that are used in for education, it seems so quite good, yeah. But if the people want to, maybe the designer want to improve, it's okay because yeah, it's only cosmetic problem only. That's all for this presentation, and this is the reference for this paper. Thank you very much for your attention. See you again in other opportunity.